G'day, welcome back. So something a little bit different here today. We've got a 2008 Toyota Blade. You can see that's obviously a Toyota badge there. This is a Japanese market car only. It's like a upmarket version of the Corolla, so a Corolla with a cherry on top. So this is what makes it different. It's got the 2.4 Toyota engine, the one that burns all the oil, which is awesome. It's got a CVT transmission and it's got push button all-wheel drive. It's supposed to have fancier like upholstery and that kind of stuff, so we'll have a look at that. It's just here for a service. Not going to give too much details on that. It's just a Toyota Corolla essentially, but we'll kind of cover some highlights, have a good look at the car and go from there. So one new tool I picked up recently is this Foxwell battery analyzer. These modern battery testers, they use conductors to figure out how good your battery is, and they're actually pretty accurate. So got it, we might as well use it. I think the battery in this car is pretty recent. So we'll just stick it on. Once it stops running away. So we've got 12.8 volts, 12.79 volts. In the vehicle, it's a regular flooded battery, CCA. This one is a 500 CCA, so we're good to go. There we go. So we measured 543 CCA, rated at 500, so pretty good health that one. Yeah, so good battery. It is quite recent, so that's good to know. AC Delco. Alright, so these are some of the bits we're going to be using. The owner went down super cheap. They just happened to have a sale last week. Picked up some stuff. We got a RYCO Syntec filter, some Nulon 530 oil, some NGK spark plugs, some oil flush that we didn't use, some foaming air intake cleaner. That done a video on that before. Some brake fluid in case you wanted to change the brake fluid. He saw a handy wee video on brake fluid changing the other week, so he picked up this quality Nulon. Oh, you went for Nulon. You got the Nulon stuff, not the super cheap. Oh well. And brake pads are only 30 bucks a set, so he picked up front and rear just in case. And yeah, we'll go and chuck them on. Now the important thing about pre-filling your oil filter is not to fill it too full, because obviously when you got your sticky down male end that goes into your female end, you end up with all kinds of spurge hanging out of the place. So if you don't mind spurging on the floor, go nuts. There we go. Lube up your ring and jam it on.
That's kind of flip as well.
It's not very family friendly though, is it? And again, when you're spinning it on when it's full of oil, if you spin it too fast, you get this nice centrifugal effect and you shovel oil everywhere. So it's finger tight. This grip coating on the Syntec filters, it really makes it easy, apparently. Right, so big mouth funnel. What's funny about big mouth funnel? Gotta be something, eh? Shut up, right in the face. buggy. A wee bit wide and crusty. Oh, cheers. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad. I'll change it next time around. No, I think they're about the same price, aren't they? See, brake pads are good, probably for another year at least. I wouldn't just put new pads on those discs though. You either want to get them machined or get new ones. Got a bit of a ridge. Not the worst I've seen, but yeah, we'll leave those for today. Spot on. Beautiful. Right, so this is Toyota's go-to kind of luxury kind of car. You see we got some nice velour across the glove box there and across the instrument binnacle. Not sure what it really adds to the ambience. Comfy looking seats. And what else we got? Oh, it's got an ion button, and it's got a arrow through your head button. Where's the four-wheel drive? That's, oh yeah, auto four-wheel drive down there. The CVT and four-wheel drive doesn't really seem to work if you are Subaru, but yeah, probably not a bad wee car. But are these lights different to the Corolla? That's that more luxury probably. Yeah, not a bad wee car. It's supposed to compete with a Golf GTi, Golf R32, but good luck with that. But yeah, Japanese market only. Oh, there's more velour on the door trims there. Suede velour, Alcantara. Yeah, decent enough car, but I don't want one.